In today's video, you will learn how to make delicious roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas are a healthy, savory, and protein-packed vegan snack or salad topper. They're not only flavorful and easy to prepare, they're also dairy-free, gluten-free, and sugar-free. How great is that? Add them to your favorite healthy dishes, such as soups, salads, stews, and even sandwiches for a crispy texture, or enjoy them on their own. So how do you make roasted chickpeas? Roasting chickpeas is simple. It requires 3 basic ingredients: cooked or canned chickpeas, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. To make roasted chickpeas, you'll need the following ingredients: 1½ cups of cooked chickpeas rinsed and drained, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, optional spices such as paprika or curry powder. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. Spread the chickpeas and dry them on a kitchen or dish towel. Gently pat them dry and remove any loose skins. 3. Place the dried chickpeas on the baking sheet and drizzle some olive oil along with generous pinches of salt. 4. Roast them for 20 to 30 minutes or until they're crisp and golden brown. Ovens can vary, so if your chickpeas are not crispy enough, keep baking them until they are. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 5. Remove chickpeas from the oven, and while they're still warm, toss in pinches of your favorite spices as desired. 6. Store the roasted chickpeas at room temperature in a loosely covered container. Eat them within 2 days. Roasted chickpeas are about as simple as it gets. Toss them with some olive oil and salt, roast, and eat. However, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Here are some tips and tricks for making the best roasted chickpeas. 1. Dry the chickpeas thoroughly. Do this by gently rolling the chickpeas between 2 clean kitchen or dish towels. 2. Eat them while hot. Roasted chickpeas tend to lose their crispiness as time passes. Unlike deep-fried chickpeas, oven-roasted ones don't stay as crispy once they're cool. So aim to eat them while they're still warm or finish up a batch by the second day for best texture and flavor. 3. Don't skimp on the olive oil. You can use less olive oil, but your chickpeas will be less crispy. 4. Don't refrigerate. Store roasted chickpeas at room temperature. You can leave them in a bowl or jar on the counter, loosely covered with a piece of foil. 5. Play around with spices. After coming out of the oven, you can add a dash of paprika or your favorite spice mix. Chili, curry, or shawarma spices would all be great. Add fresh herbs like rosemary or lemon zest, or both. It's hard to go wrong here. 6. Spices and seasonings have a tendency to burn and become bitter, so only add them after you pull the roasted chickpeas out of the oven. Besides eating roasted chickpeas as a snack, you can toss them with salads or sprinkle over soup in place of croutons. It's definitely a great way to add more protein and fiber to a meatless dish. Have you tried this recipe? Tell us in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.